doctors to make the abortion safe. I train doctors to treat women with respect to save their lives. I train doctors to save their babies. I also train doctors to make the abortion safe so that women are safe with whatever their circumstance is. My concern is that it's not that the causing abortion is a sin or making abortion is a sin. It is the patient's demand which the society has created. It's the doctor who caters to all these needs of the society. If I deny abortion, this woman goes and commits suicide, I am responsible. So this particular thing, I am just neutral. What is the patient's demand? How I can make the patient better is my concern. But today's topic of this particular strategy to access for abortion, I am only focusing on the medical aspect and how the doctor is looking at this particular problem. I am not blaming anybody for female feticide and the sex ratio change and also so many things resulting. It is the society which is responsible for having demanded. At the same time, I would also impress upon you that it is use and misuse. We prepare a knife for a kitchen for the use of cutting onions and all vegetables, but the same knife can also be used for so many other things. Good, bad, whatever. So these concept of things are going to be there for everything, whatever we cultured humans do. Now for example, if we say the society is in demand of the male child, why? If we look back, just for a minute I would like to divert from my topic. It's only because I would like you to think about it and then keep your mind open. In predatory world, right from the Stone Age, if you see, female gives rise to the offsprings. There are lots of predators to eat these offsprings. It is the male who has to protect these female offsprings. It is this protective action of the male in the society, protection of the family, brings genetically modified male behavior. The male is stronger. Female offsprings, protective, nursing. If you look at this, not only humans, go into the depth of the animal kingdom and see, look at it, male stronger. And therefore, female herself demands that there should be a male for protecting my offsprings. Maybe that, but I want you to keep your mind open. I want you to plead that don't be biased. Don't have one-sided opinion that there is a female feticide going on. Why? There are associated conditions with this particular female in the society where it makes the life miserable for the other people who live. Can we abolish these things and make the things which are bad good and acceptable? We have to think that way. It is the terminal thing what we are thinking and looking at. It is only the effect of this what we are looking at. But why it has happened, if we look at it, it is the society. We all are responsible. It is we who have created the demand. Let me share you a joke. Let's not think very seriously. There was a pawn shop isolated. One fellow went, asked, "Do you have a Belgaum gutka?" He said, "No, I have got Shirsi gutka." No, I don't want. Second customer came. Do you have Belgaum Gutka? No. I have some Hubli Gutka. Third person went. Do you have Belgaum Gutka? No. This fellow is thinking, what is this Belgaum Gutka? Fourth person went with a bag. I am from Belgaum Gutka. This fellow grabbed the bag. He said, there is a lot of demand for this Belgaum Gutka. Please give me. Those all three customers are sent by this fellow only. You can only see that he created a need and then he sold his souls. So you can see that there is a need from the society which has been created. Don't blame the medical profession. I will not protect the medical profession for having misused this law. There are ways that there have been a misuse. I do agree. When I point the fingers like this, all fingers are not same in my one. Each finger has got its own function. And these particular variations, I would rather compare that their thinking about this particular thing is definitely different. So let's view that this particular problem of access to abortion and its use and misuse in that perspective. And that's why it took about 5 minutes. Thank you, Chairman Ji. So the strategies to access is nothing but whether the law provides a correct environment, ambience for access to this abortion services which is meant for them in a safe environment. Whether the law is responsible for choosing this particular abortion, whether the seeker, the one who needs abortion, whether she has got some restrictions to choose this abortion, whether she is being prevented to have the services of abortion. Let's look into that particular thing. Next one, please. This particular thing has been spoken already. I wouldn't elaborate on this, an issue of social, economic, and also issue of human rights, public health and all. But this public health has created a lot of problems which have been solved by the medical profession, because we look into, in certain case, if a certain sugar crushing machine is injuring the person who is operating it, it is our duty to see how this machine can be modified to work safe. And such public hazards when created for misuse of abortion or use of abortion, abortion not accessible to the people, then we have got to look into public health problems. I will come to that little later. Next one, please. The law is very clear about this. The law defines when, by whom, where an unwanted pregnancy can be terminated safely. The law says that. It's very clear. The law is also equally liberal. Liberal in the sense, women want abortion, can have abortion. Doctor wants to terminate pregnancy because the woman wants it, can terminate pregnancy safely, safeguarding himself. There are lots of indications which are like presumed to be grave risk to the mental, contraception failure, rape, etc., 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 under all these indications. On the contrary, that if I want to refuse the abortion, I will have to keep a register separate to show that why I am refusing this abortion. And in this particular thing, I will have to write that why I have refused this abortion. Is it because she is demanding that it is a sex-related abortion? Refuse. Is it because she does not want it for some other reason, this thing, etc., or beyond this thing, if I terminate pregnancy, her life is in great danger? Refuse. Therefore, I have a record of having refused this abortion. Next one, please. This particular abortion, when we take in India, It is a very, very complex and conflicting agenda. Abortion, I am looking at as a medical personnel giving the service to the person. And as a lawmaker, you see the components of this particular safe abortion. It is not one. The safe abortion component is provider, me. I must be safe in providing. I must be safe in thinking that I can provide. Lawmakers make safe. Demand is there. Maker is there. So therefore, there should be indications. Law, policy makers. And apart from all these things, etc., safety must be defined. It must be safely inculcated. And therefore, you can see this complex agenda includes not only promoting safe abortion, but to prevent sex-related abortions. This comes in the misuse. This misuse is to be understood, looked at a little bit in a different perspective. I do not wish to go into the details of the society, its demands and its the outcomes and everything, but as a provider, as a medical man, I only see this particular demand as misuse, as that this particular sex-related abortion, if he performs, then it's a misuse. For the sake of profit and money making, if he determines the sex, it's a misuse. That is very clear and it should not be done. I am very much clear about it. Legal abortion means always it is not a safe abortion. It is legalized, but has it been safe? This safety provision is by the provider. The law defines that these are the safety, these things. I will come to that little later as to how this is getting abused. And therefore we are not able to implement the things properly. I am very happy that, our Mr. Dakshinamurthy is here as a Kilpar, and also the other lawmakers, policymakers are also there. I am sharing my experience. Of course, with the due assurance that I will not be prosecuted when I go out. I am only clear. I am just thinking my way out with a very clear mind as to what I face. Legal, but not available. Legal, but not accessible. It means the same. Legal in the paper has got no meaning. But it should reflect at the society level. Then only it will be of some use. Next one, please. Flaws in the strategy. So these flaws, I am very, very clear about this particular thing. I am sorry, my hand is double looking, I don't know why. But anyway, I am pointing out the first point. The states have misinterpreted the directive from the center. I have been involved in training the medical officers of Belgaum district in safe abortion procedures under the guidance of Pathfinder International. And in this, I came across a lot of these problems. Center says safe abortion can be done in this particular locality, identify that this is available, this is available, this is available. But when it came to the state said that blood bank must be available within 5 kilometers. Who said that? For blood bank, there are so many laws, specifications. It is just impossible to own a blood bank. It takes one's own life to establish blood bank. And such blood bank must be available within 5 kilometer radius of this particular place. Who said it? State. Why? Is it really required? Support this particular center by the nearby bigger hospital for solving complications. But why this blood bank specification? Laws are only applicable to the private sector. Why not to the government sector? Why not to the government PHCs? Because when I surveyed the PHCs The PHCs were in such pathetic conditions. With a due respect, what I have observed, I am telling you. Certain where there is an operation theatre fully equipped, but no equipments, no doctor. There is no operation theatre, fully qualified doctor there present. I still remember he was like a barber without a razor. And therefore, who is responsible for this discrepancy of providing the material and also men? Why not combine both and make it function? Private sector, this must be there, that must be there. This, I will come to that little later again. Law awareness amongst the doctors is very poor, and I am also one of them. This particular law awareness has got to be there. Otherwise, it is just not possible to function well. If, as a citizen of India, if I am going to perform, give my services, implement my knowledge, give my expertise, then I must also know where I am safe, what is my limit, where I am being protected, where I can go ahead and give the services. Because the law protects me. If I don't know the law, then I cannot go ahead. If the green signal means that I can cross with my eyes closed, I know, because no vehicles will come across like this. And therefore, this particular knowledge is poor amongst the doctors. Needs training there. Abortion is considered to be contraceptive. Contraceptive means it is reducing the family planning concerned, whatever this thing. But when I perform an abortion, it is not a family planning. It is not family planning. When we think that it is a family planning, state insists that so and so doctor should perform so many family planning operations. Abortion, include that also, so that my number goes up. I am being awarded by a gold medal. Or I am given a no promotion because I have not performed that much of target. And therefore what I do? Abortion included in this, perform more number of abortions. Delink it from the family planning association, these things. Overall mindset of the government is to control rather than facilitate abortion. I will come to this very shortly. And I have definitely got a point in this particular aspect. It is to control. Supervision, control. Go there, check the register, what you have done. But facilities, check facilities. Check whether these things have been there or not. Look at this. NTP Act 2003 shows Mifepristone, one of the drug which is used for the termination of pregnancy, used by registered medical practitioners, means anyone, registered medical practitioner, anyone. But Controller of India restricts it only to the gynecologists in urban area. Why? And this is one of the subject for misoprostone use in the periphery, implemented, being carried out, being supervised by the United States. There are people who are coming from the states and implementing this project and giving a huge fund where abortion is illegal. Is it a human experimentation? Is it something else? Why not we are able to perceive our own difficulties and our own agenda to implement? Why we want the US people or any other outsider person to come and say that you do like this in your kitchen? Why? And this needs to be thought not by only the society, but feedback from the society to the policy makers, the lawmakers, and then only it can be implemented. Identify these things in Indian perspective, in Shirsi perspective. not Haryana perspective. I will not see about the Delhi perspective being implemented in Sirsi. No. I want this particular area to perceive that and then identify this particular problem. Next one, please. These are the ground realities. Look at this. Whatever the figures what I have quoted, these are all authenticated and I have got the supportive evidences for all these things, whatever I am saying. 20% of the PHCs provide legal and safe abortions. 20%. 80% are not providing. Statistics is like this. When we say 20% is providing, 80% is not providing. But if I write 80% is not providing, then you will feel bad. And therefore, 20% of this thing is only providing. We saw to it. We enlisted. We asked them, are you providing the safe abortion practices? It's not important that, one is doing the abortions and with no facilities. We don't take that as a PHC providing the abortion. We are only seeing safe abortion, these things, whether being provided by the PHC. And only 20%. 30 to 50% PHCs, though approved, no proper infrastructure, facilities and manpower. Believe me, when I went and saw in the operation theatre, the motorbike was parked belonging to the medical officer. I took a photograph of this and sent it up. It went up. Nothing happened. And therefore, these things have got to be. In another PHC, the bathroom has been converted into an operation theatre. Why? There is no space. This particular discrepancy must be identified by the government, by the law enforcers. Provide these safety, these things. 87% abortion services in private sector. The rest of them may be in the public sector. It is the poor woman whom we agree, they undergo abortions and complications and death. Not rich. And it is this poor woman who has got no access to the private services because of the financial. And it is the public sector which has got to be